Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, and in the last video tutorial we discussed more introduction about Photoshop. We got familiar with the tools of in the Photoshop, and we also saw how we will create new layer. So today I am going to discuss about architectural page setup in Photoshop. Many times we require A0 size sheet, A1 sheet, A2 sheet, A3, and A4. So we mainly deal with this type of pages. And but in Photoshop by default A4 and A3 are given, but A2 and A1 and A0 are not given in the Photoshop. So how we will create without any difficulty, I will discuss today. So I will go to this file, and I will go to this create new file, or else if you are using Photoshop higher version like CC 2019, you can create from here also. Like I will go to create new, and you can create a new page here, and also you can go to file and new. If you are using older version of Photoshop, you go to file new, and you can create your custom page, and go to this page setup like saved preset. There is no any saved page in is here. And if you go to photo, I already discussed that some default sizes are given, and for printing purpose A4 size is given, and you can view in all presets here. If you are using higher version of Photoshop, suppose I am going to view all preset here, and you can check that A3 size is also given, but there is no A1 and A2 and A0 size. So how we will create? So I am going to this print setup, or if you are using older version, you can go to your custom setting also, and you can create new page here. So I am going to create new page here, and I am going to this preset details, which is in right side. I'm going to rename it to A0, and I have saved. If you don't remember the sizes, you can Google it and find the sizes, and the A0 size is 841 into 1189 mm, or inches. If you are using inches, 33.1 into 46.8 inches. So we have to make setting in Photoshop. So I am going to use mm, and if you will see, this is 841 into 1189. So width is 841, and 11 height 1189 is the height, and the orientation it will ask whether you want to in landscape or in portrait form. So I am going to use landscape for now, and you can in the resolution by default 72 will be given, but you can change the resolution from here. And the more the resolution, the better the image quality. The less the resolution, the less the quality of the image will be. And this is color mode RGB. By default it is 8 bit, so you can leave it by default. If you will increase the 32 bit or 16 bit, more color option will be there, but the file will become heavy. So by default you can leave it 8 feet, and background contents you can leave white. If you want to change the color, you can change it from here. So I'm going to create this A0. This I have created A0 size, and you can make your drawing adjustment in this. You can create your portfolios, or you can create your presentation in this. And again I will tell that if you go to your new tab, and if you go to print, but there is no A0 size is saved in this. Why this happened, I will tell you. You have to go to this A0, and you have to go to mm, and set the width to 841, height to 1189, landscape, and RGB setting same, resolution is 300, white color. And after this you have to click here save as preset. This you have to click, and it will ask save document preset, saved one. You have to rename again here. I'm going to make it A0, and I am going to save the preset. Now you can see it is saved here, and I'm going to create. So this is our A0 page size. You can, if you will take print, you will come to, it will fit into A0 size, and you can change the rotation to make it to landscape also from this image rotation. If you will go to image rotation from image, first you have to go to image and image rotation, I can rotate it and it will become in landscape portrait. So likewise you can create other page sizes also, like new, and if you are using older version you will go to custom, and if you are using higher version you will go to print. Go to print, and I am going to rename it A1 and millimeter, and you can check the sizes of A1 594 into 841. So you have to make 594 into height 841, and you can leave the settings like this, and you can save it. Again you can rename it to A1, and you can save the preset. So every time if you will open Photoshop, the page sizes will be mentioned here. You are not required to create again and again. If you will save this preset, it will be every time if you will open Photoshop, the pages will be available. So I'm going to create A1 size. So you can work in A1 size in portrait or landscape. You have to rotate it. And for A2 also you have to repeat the same things. You have to go to file, new, print, and you have to make it A2. And for this you can check the sizes. It is 420 into 594. So I'm going to make it 420 width and 594, and you can leave the settings. And before that you have to save this preset. I'm going to make it A2, save preset, create. So every time I'm going to cancel all this, and I'm going to file, new, and saved. So all the pages are saved here, A0 in saved preset, A0, A1, A2. You can use any one of them. Every time you are not required to create new pages, it will be automatically saved into this. And if we go to print also, the sizes are not available in print, but it will be saved here like A0, A1, A2. So you can use, suppose I'm going to make my portfolio or some presentation, mainly we do in A1 size. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to create, and I'm going to rotate my image to 90-degree, and I'm going to create some portfolio basics. I'm going to use this rectangular marquee tool, and you can, just for make you understand, I'm creating this simple, and I'm going to create new layer for this, and I'm going to rename it to borders, and you can select the color from here, what color you want to make. I'm going to select any color, green, and I'm going to use paint bucket tool here. You have to select this background, and you have to go to this paint bucket, and you have to hit G command on your keyboard, and it will be created. So you can create nice presentation, and you can bring your images to A1 size. Likewise, I am going to bring this 1 BHK rendered in Photoshop. You can simply drag it to your page, and it will be created. Because it's in file size is a bit more in MB, so it will take time. So you can make adjustment according to your presentation and can create nice portfolios or presentation to clients using these settings, and it will save your time. You can bring a full site plan also, but before that you have to finish this scaling, and I am going to bring this full size. And likewise you can do your presentation, and it will save your time. And also you can go to file and you can uh, bring the JPG image from open and you can drag it. That we'll discuss in later tutorial. So this was the tutorial for page setup. In the next video tutorial we will see more commands about Photoshop. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.